this session, we will continue the types and levels of knowledge. Bloom's taxonomy is another model that is useful for assessment. It classifies behaviors into three categories: the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains. The cognitive domain has received the most attention in both teaching and assessment. It consists of 6 levels, starting with remembering, followed by understanding, application, analysis, evaluation, and end with creation. With each level requiring a greater cognitive investment than the one preceding it. And now we will start with each level explanation in details. Let us start. The first stage is remembering. At this stage, learning is about memorizing basic facts, dates, events, persons, places, concepts, patterns, and so on. At this level, educators might ask simple questions like, what are the most spoken language in Latin America? What is the chemical formula of water? Who was the first president of the United States? And the associated cognitive processes related to this level are recognizing, and it means locating knowledge in a long-term memory related to the presented material, such as recognizing the dates of important historical events. And the second is recalling, and it's relating to retrieving the knowledge from the long-term memory, such as recalling the dates of important historical events. The second level is the understanding, and at this point, learners might be asked to explain a concept in their own words, or to describe a mathematical graph. The process associated with understandings are first interpreting, and it implies a changing from one form of representation to another. It might be transforming a numerical information into verbal. Second is the exemplifying, is finding of a specific illustration of a concept or a principle. Third, classifying. Classifying is determining a category of something. Like, for example, the classification of mental disorder. Another example is summarizing. Summarizing means retrieving a general theme of a scientific point, such as writing a short summary or a story. Another associated processes with the understanding are inferring. And inferring means drawing of a logical conclusion from given information, such as formulating the grammatical principles of a foreign language from presented examples. Next is the comparing. Comparing is the finding of correspondences between two ideas or two objects. And finally, explaining. Explaining is constructing a cause and effect model of a system, such as explaining the causes of the French Revolution. In this session, we have covered the remembering and understanding levels. In the next session, we will continue with the applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating levels of Bloom's taxonomy.